Hey guys, I think I might fire up the old Mustang today. It's pretty much been setting all winter. Haven't done anything to it, and we finally got a nice enough day. I was able to open up the shop door here, so I've been kind of getting the itch to hear it run again, so let's see what happens. Alright, here we go. Let the O2 sensor heat up a bit. We've got juice, that's a good sign. I doubt she pops off first try. She is still pretty cold out here, about 50 degrees, and this motor's only like 9-to-1 compression, and it's on E, so it's kind of cold-natured. Alright, let's give her a shot anyway. Trying. Sprayed a little brake clean in the turbo. This could be bad, but we'll see what happens. Man, nothing. Okay, I checked for spark and we've got fire, so like I said, I haven't started in months. Maybe third time's a charm here. There we go. He's running. But that's not smoke, it's condensation. You'll smooth out once it starts to warm up after a while. Good old F-cam chomping away. Yeah, the old Magna Fuel is loud as hell in here. Got good oil pressure. He's on the like when it's all the way warmed up. Decently smooth. I got an itty bitty little Honda fan on here, so it does real good at the track. I haven't tested it on the street yet. Might be a little on the small side, but it's lightweight. It holds temp pretty good, really, for how small it is. It's actually coming down. That's a cold start, guys. You can hear the headers popping some popcorn there. She don't sound too bad for pretty much throwing together junk. Thanks for watching.